Hello, shamanettes, and welcome to The Beauty Shaman. So if you don't know me, I'm an esthetician, a former model, celebrity makeup artist, and pro-aging advocate. I've recently put out a few videos about LED light masks as I am a huge fan of home skincare treatments. In fact, in my own home skincare routine, I only use devices and treatments that you do at home. I also sample many different devices in order to see what works on mature skin. So in this video, I will be sharing with you a handheld LED light device from LADUORA called the Lumeo SkinLift 4D Current Red Light Therapy Kit. This kit is wonderful for those of you who want more control to specifically target areas that a mask would only skim over. So this device smooths fine lines, lifts contours, and energizes tired skin, all in just 3 minutes a day, which is a huge time difference to the normal 10 to 20 minutes for a mask. So if you don't like the long time period for most masks, this is a great product for you. It uses red and infrared light therapy, microcurrent stimulation, serum infusion via low-intensity electroportation, and therapeutic massage. We will talk about what it is, how it works, my experience with it, and my overall verdict on this device. Let's do it. So what exactly is the Lumeo SkinLift? In short, it is an at-home handheld skincare tool that combines professional-grade technologies, red light therapy at 630 nanometers or nm, near-infrared light at 850 nm, microcurrent stimulation, and a gentle facial massage, vibration, serum-infused component. As you know, for mature skin, collagen and elastin are declining as we get older, right? Contours can soften, texture can become uneven, and tone can dull. So this device addresses multiple concerns at once, smoothing fine lines, lifting the jawline and the cheeks, improving radiance and tone, and helping with puffiness, my big issue, and enhancing absorption of serums. Okay, what are the benefits you love? Here are the key benefits I'm seeing from the Lumeo. A boosted radiance. So according to LADUORA, one use showed a 23% increase in skin radiance. A smoother texture. Immediately after one use, there was a 9% improvement in skin smoothness. Lift and firm. We love that, right? The near-infrared light penetrates deeper to support firmness and elasticity. Enhanced serum absorption. The microcurrent and electroportation tech increases skin permeability, meaning your serums work 836% harder. Gotta love that. Efficient treatment time. Only about 3 minutes per session, 3 to 5 times per week. Ideal if you've got a busy life, but you still want high-level skincare and don't want a mask that takes 10 to 20 minutes. Non-invasive and comfortable. No needles, no downtime, suitable for more sensitive, mature skin types. Okay, so my personal experience. I've been using the device now for about 2 weeks, and here's my take. So immediately after each use, I feel a gentle warmth and also a tingle that comes from using a microcurrent. It's not uncomfortable, but it's definitely a sensation that something has happened to my skin. My skin feels refreshed. So I treat my forehead, my cheeks, my jawline, and my neck for about 30 seconds each zone in a session totaling about 2 to 3 minutes. So after 2 weeks, my jawline looks slightly more defined and less soft. My cheeks feel a bit more lifted. The tone of my skin is brighter, less puffy under the eyes, which is a huge trouble spot for me. And my makeup goes on more smoothly and doesn't settle in fine lines as easily. I also feel like my serums and moisturizers are absorbing better. For older skin, the subtle, consistent improvements really matter. It doesn't have to be a dramatic change in order to make a difference. I think if you use any at-home device, you will see a more gradual improvement as opposed to the dramatic shift that you see from in-office procedures, which is why I really like home treatments. Okay, how I incorporate it into my routine. Here's how I use the Lumeo in my skincare routine. So first, I start with a clean, dry face, no makeup or SPF. Next, I apply serum. I use the LADUORA 8 Peptide Activating Serum that is included in the kit, which helps conductivity and brings peptide support. After that, I set up my device and I choose the mode I want to use. Normally, I start at a moderate mode given my skin, and then I glide it upward from jawline to ear, cheeks to temple, and my neck upward and under my eyes very gently. Lastly, the device automatically stops after approximately 3 minutes. Then I apply my usual moisturizer, and in the morning I apply SPF, of course. Typically, I use it 3 to 4 times a week, choosing the evenings when I want a bit more me time. With busy schedules, the short treatment time is a huge plus. Okay, who it's best for, plus some cautions. So if you're a woman over 40 or 50 who is noticing less firmness, softer contour, fine lines, a duller tone, or puffiness like me, this device is a strong pick. It bridges the gap between daily skincare and a more intensive spa treatment. However, there are a few considerations that I want to share with you. Because it uses microcurrent and electroportation, if you have an electrical implant like a pacemaker, or maybe you're pregnant, definitely check with your doctor. Always make sure your skin is clean and dry before you use it, or you won't get the conductivity. If your skin is oily or there's heavy makeup, it just won't work as well. While you'll likely feel a gentle warmth or tingling, you should not feel pain or strong discomfort. If you do, you need to stop and look into why that's happening. Consistency is key. Treat it like any part of your skincare routine, in that results do build over time. Okay, lastly, in just 3 minutes a session, you can give mature skin meaningful support to lift, tone, smooth, and brighten. My 2-week experience showed me that it does bring about the changes I want, but I need to be consistent along with using my daily skincare plan. If you want to try it yourself, I have a 40% off code for Black Friday. I will put the link in the description box below. If you found this helpful, please like this video, hit subscribe, and share with friends who are also looking for a powerful LED handheld device to reach their skincare goals. Thank you so much for watching The Beauty Shaman.